Hello! In this video I am going to be doing an unboxing of the deluxe computer cable. This is basically an RCA to HDMI converter, which I plan on using this with my Elgato HD60S Plus to record older gaming systems with. Anyways, here's a good look at the front. Deluxe computer cable. By the way, I did not even notice this smiley face on the package until now. Back. Made in China. Barcode. Talking about VCR, Blu-ray, DVD players. Environmental protection. Now let's open this. By the way, I forgot to mention that I got this RCA to HDMI converter off of Amazon for around $21. Not a bad price. Let's take a look at what we have. User manual. There you go. There you go. I'm probably going to put this stuff back in this bigger bag because I like this more than this one. And it's my plastic bag is bigger than this. I'll have a look at the user manual off camera and try to get this all set up. Again, one more look. I'm not going to untangle it in this video. That's going to be it for this video, so goodbye.